On the Spot Air Conditioning and Heating in Plano, TX, is your trusted HVAC partner for top-notch services. We specialize in providing prompt and efficient heating and cooling solutions. Our skilled technicians are dedicated to keeping your home comfortable year-round, offering expert repairs, installations, and maintenance. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, we deliver reliable HVAC services tailored to meet your needs. Choose On the Spot for quick and reliable air conditioning and heating solutions in Plano, ensuring your indoor comfort is always our top priority. Contact our HVAC today for a free estimate. Are you looking for an HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found On the Spot Air Conditioning and Heating Plano. How much does HVAC installation cost in Texas? The average homeowner must spend between $6,000 and $9,300 to build a basic HVAC system when replacing their old system. Why is HVAC so expensive? HVAC system prices have increased as a result of greater production expenses that manufacturers are forced to pass along to customers. What is your service area for the HVAC Plano, Texas office? Our local HVAC have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Plano, Allen, Lucas, Wylie, Dallas, Frisco, Murphy, Parker, Garland, Prosper, Rowlett, McKinney, Rockwall, Carrollton, Lewisville, Richardson, The Colony, Highland Park, Fairview, University Park, TX. Where is your Plano, Texas HVAC located? We are located at 2761 North Hill Briar, Plano, Texas 75075. Our phone number is 972-645-3631. Visit our website, www.onthespothvac.com.